induced, and bipolar is prevalent for that when manic is induced. So I have to take,
if you put a very
psychopathology, power psychology.
What did you do with
because you
Jeff?
have to take stuff like precognition.
He's not here today. He might be back next week. In any event, I'm hosting his show, The Jeff Richards Show.
Modified number of waves that occurs per cycle. Hertz was actually named after a person. When you double the frequencies, 440 hertz, you get 880. So you have empirical, we have inferential, we have subjective, we have objective, and we have anecdotal. And the way they go about evidence is a sort of circular.
mirror projection.
Waves that occurs per cycle. Hertz was actually named after a person. When you double the frequencies, 440 hertz, you get 880. So you have a higher frequency, right? But it's the same sound. It constitutes an octave. To understand this
fascinating phenomenon, I kind of wanted to know, well, okay, well, you can illustrate three-dimensional forms on a two-dimensional surface, but you have to follow different laws. So I became infatuated with and this is what gives you the reference. It has to do with diagonal and horizontal lines. Diagonal and horizontal lines are used primarily on a two-dimensional surface to illustrate the three-dimensional optical illusion that